Hello, everybody. Let's talk about fractions and let us talk about addition of fractions with the same denominators. Okay, always remember whether it is addition or subtraction, denominators are never added or nor subtracted. But you all have to remember that it needs to have same denominator, then only addition or subtraction is possible. So 9 plus 7 is 16 over 10. Correct? Here 3. So let us finish this question first. See, there are two ways here. Both are even numbers, you can reduce. So as both are even numbers, you can apply divisibility rule of 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. This is which fraction? It is improper fraction. So you need to convert it into mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? It is quotient remainder over divisor. So 5 ones are 5 because that is my quotient. 8 minus 5 is 3 over 5. If you all are confused, you can do like this also. 5 ones are 5, 1, 3 over 5. Another way to do this is you can do this method or you can do like this. Straight away convert this into mixed fraction. Because whenever your numerator is greater than denominator, it is improper fraction. So 10 ones are 10. Correct? So what is my quotient? My quotient is 1 remainder over divisor. And you can further reduce this. This will be divide by 2, divide by 2, 3 over 5. So either which ways you can give your answer. Here denominator is same, so keep it like this. 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 over 4. I can reduce this, right? Because both are common. Apply divisibility rule of 4. But remember one thing, whatever divisibility you are applying in numerator, same divisibility rule you need to apply in denominator. 4 ones are 4, ones are 4, answer is 1. Same thing in subtraction. Both are common, so we can we can subtract. Whenever numerator is lesser than denominator, it is called proper fraction. So, but here you will apply the divisibility rule of 3. You will divide 3 here. Here also divide by 3. Correct? So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, answer is 1 over 3. Here also divisibility rule. You can subtract because both are same. Divisibility rule of 2. Repeating this, apply same divisibility rule in both numerator and denominator. Convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Multiply this and then add. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81 plus 1 is 82 over 9. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48 plus 1 is 49 over 8. Next, multiplication. Rule of multiplication is you can reduce, you can simplify the number like this also or like this also, diagonally or vertically. Correct? You can reduce it like that, simplify it like that. So here what we will do, simplify diagonally. 5 ones are 5, ones are 5. You have applied divisibility rule of 5. Now you cannot simplify anything. So answer is 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 1 is 8. Correct? Here I can see that I can simplify this way also. This way also. Or I can simplify this way also. This way also. See, both ways you will get the answer same. Look here. Let me simplify right now vertically. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Divisibility rule of 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. What will be your answer? See, but you can reduce this also, na? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So answer is what? 1 over 6, right? 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 3 is 6. Let me do here diagonally. 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14, 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. Answer is what? 1 over 8. Are you all with me, students? Is everybody understanding this whole thing? Next is this division. What is division rule? Division, you will make it multiplication and then take the reciprocal. Division, you will make it multiplication and then take the reciprocal. Correct? So same thing in division also, but only thing is you have to make the sign multiplication and take inverse of it. That is inverse or reciprocal 4 over 3. Division, make multiplication, take inverse or reciprocal 14 over 24. That means your denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. Then same thing of multiplication, 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8, 5 multiplied by 5 is 1, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Answer is 5 over 6. 3 8s are 24, 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. It is 2 over 8, but still you can simplify. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. So answer is 1 over 4. It is very simple. Just apply your rules properly and then you are sorted.